need to apologize. Okay, guys. Honestly, it's not me. It's not me. It's really not me. I'm on a beach, so there are... The connection is just... Oh my god, what a tease. What a tease. Honestly, you guys have yet to hear the full song. Like, look at this karmatically, right? Like, I try to show you guys music, and this is what God... Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think y'all are supposed to get music. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. And this time, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Y ya. And then, yeah. So, let me try that again. I'm gonna bring Anna one more time. Sound it out. And I'm also gonna start it from the second verse this time. Because it's necessary. Wait, so you do... Guys, I'm gonna try to do it from the top one more time. I think we should do it one more time from the top. I'm just gonna be so sad if it cuts out again in the middle of the fucking song. Honestly, if it cuts out in the middle of the song, you guys just understand that it's not on purpose. I really would love to share the full song with you. So, but if anything, I'll make a video. The song's coming out tomorrow, though. No, not tomorrow. It's tomorrow. What day is tomorrow? Today, miércoles. I think it comes out Friday. You guys know how it goes. I think it comes out Friday. Don't quote me, but it's definitely coming out this week and before the end of this month. So you're gonna have it soon. Maybe it's not meant to be today then. Exactly. Like maybe that's what it is. Okay, I'm still waiting for Anna to connect. Anna? Ooh. And they're unable to join. Oh, cute. Let's try it one more time, shall we? Sound it out together. Okay, last time.
Yeah, she's here.
Hey!
Do you want me to stay?
Okay, espero que esta vez pueda trabajar. Disculpa, es que estoy haciendo esto y de la nada se empieza y se queda así.
I'll leave it open just in case.
Okay, ready? This
Ready.
is the last time. We're gonna try
We can do it. We can do it.
Right? We can do it.